We have a creature on the loose. What kind of a creature are you talking about, man? Hey! What was that? Why are you in me house? Oh, what is that thing? Oh, snap! Ow! He's vicious. Hello? Jeff, I think we have a problem. He's not. Pay me. Pay you. Ow! Fish you. Fish house. Who fish tell you house to live fish house in? Care brick. Brick boss. Brick boss is the one that sold this place, man. LOL. Okay, buddy. I will give you a ton of food if you leave. Alive. You want alive food? I don't. Come on. More animals. Let's go, Jeff. Come on. Start cranking them out, bro. Start cranking them out. Animals is you. You want me? You is food. Now, I don't want you. Okay, I'm on it. I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. Nope. Oh, stop. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Captain America. So my boy Jeff the Moose was like, hey, Moose, we gotta assemble the Avengers. I'm like, okay, let's go, broski. So apparently I'm wearing my, Captain America outfit now. I'm a little bit thick, dude. I've been working out, but I got my strength ability, I got regeneration, jump boost speed, and all that kind of crazy stuff. Get the part of the Avengers. My name is Brick Moose, and let's see what's going on with the Daycare, man. Jeff, buddy. You called me over, Jeff. What you need? Welcome, Moose, to the Justice League lair. Look at this dude. Don't kill me, by the way. Don't kill me. Chill, don't kill me, dog. All right, so, Jeff, what are you wearing? Jeff, what are you wearing, man? You look so derpy. By the way, I thought we were part of the Avengers, not the Justice League, dog. What are you talking about, man? Come over, Justice Avengers. Hello? What's that? Heard an explosion. Okay. Let's introduce each other. Hello? Justice Adventures. I'll just show you all. Oh, snap! It's Shafino. Oh, no. What are you wearing? Oh, God. I told you. We're here to save you. I haven't seen how you do it. Oh, is that Brick Boss? Brick Boss, are you the Hulk? And then Musina's the other person, the girl one? Black Widow, I think? Is that what it's called? Saving the day! Is something wrong? No, nothing. You guys look amazing. You guys look absolutely amazing. Jeffina. You ain't part of this, Jeffina. What are you doing here, Jeffina? I warned you. Why is Jeffina Thanos? Isn't Thanos the bad guy? And isn't Thanos a dude? I'm here to show you all. Jeff, I feel like there's a problem here. I feel like this is a relationship problem. What's going on, guys? Come on. Jeffina, do you want to talk this out? She doesn't get it. Jeff, why did you really assemble us? What is it, man? Why did you assemble us, man? This is my work. Our relationship is perfect. Oh, no. Musina and Brick Boss, let's just take like 10 steps back. Yeah, there we go. Let's just take 10 steps back. Just leave him alone. Oh, snap. Musina, please be careful. Please be careful. Step off, my Jeff. Oh, that's not good. Mini Moose on my side. Wait, which one? There's two of us. I don't get it. Okay, whatever. All right. Anyway, so Jeff, why did you call us over to the daycare? Could you please answer the one question I've been trying to ask you, man? Well, why are we here? Well, what? I can see that we have Thanos over here. I don't like where this is going, man. We're gonna form the new Justice League. So what? We're the Avengers, first of all, not the Justice League. Jeff, get a treat. You're Iron Man. She's Black Widow. I'm Captain America. I'll destroy the whole lab. Jeffina, stop this. No, Jeffina, stop. No, because Jeffina told me that if she can't join, she will destroy the daycare. Jeffina, you can't be part of this thing. You're the evil person. You're Thanos. You're like the bad guy, you know? So I'm gonna have to ask you to leave nicely. You're out of here. Oh no! Oh, Jeff! She did it! Oh, Jeff. Are you gonna take that, bro? Are you gonna? No! Oh, snap. We have a battle. Oh, snap. This is war. That's coming out of your breakfast money. Oh, no. Wait, is it Thanos supposed to have, like, the bad guys helping him out? Because it's kind of like, isn't this unfair? It's like 5 versus 1. Yeah! Fine! Oh, I can't hear her. Yes, his name. Surrender. Yo, she's blowing up the whole place. Are you gonna really let her, man? Oh, and there goes Messina. Oh, wait, hold on. Up, and there goes Messina. Dang it, man. That wasn't me. I know it wasn't you. Jeffina, Solve your relationship somewhere else, Jafina. Ow, why you gotta hit me, Jeff? I'm innocent. I'm on your side. I'm the one dude wearing a Captain America outfit. What are you doing, dog? Oh, my God. Guys, can we just not fight about this? Ow! Oh, where'd she go? She just disappeared behind her like an explosion sounded. Oh, what was that? Oh, no, Jeff! Your girlfriend has an army of mini Thanoses. Oh, snap. Here we go, man. Back off. Ow! They hurt so much, man. Oh, Jeff, could you tame your girlfriend? Why is it that you always have relationship problems, man? She got into my lab duplicator. What? What? There's a lab duplicator? Oh, snap. Oh, no. Oh, no. Back off. Back off. Ow, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. Ow, ow. Stop it. Ow! Why do we always help you with relationship issues? I don't know, Brick Boost. I don't know, my dude. My minions. Oh, no. Jafina, what? Can we just talk this out? There's so many of these dudes trying to kill me, and I don't want any part of this, man. I don't want... Ow! How do you hit me? Oh, snap. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm out of here. Jeff! Help! Jeff, help! Help, please. Help, 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 help. Help! Jeff! Do you have something that can, like, stop these dudes, man? They're trying to take us out, dude. And this ain't helping. They all try to... Oh, no. What idea? Jeff, get me the paintball guns, Jeff. Get me the paintball guns! But. No. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm definitely gonna die. Brick Bus! Use your Hulk powers, buddy! Use your Hulk powers and eat those things, man. Eat them live. Jeff! We're all gonna die because of you. You know that? Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's go, Brick Boost. Free breakfast. Are you making Brick Boss super powerful right now? Are you giving him free breakfast to help him out? Is that what's gonna happen, bro? You're giving me some breakfast to Brick Boost. Jeff's just casually chilling there. Dude, aren't you supposed to be Iron Man? Use like your crazy laser beams and stuff, dude. All I got is a shield, man. And a sword that barely does anything at all. Oh, no. There's too many for me to handle. There's too many for me to handle. Oh, but. Stay back. Stay back. Oh, but. Yeah. But. Stop it. No. Too many. They're too strong. I got a solution. Here we go. Oh, no. Stay back. Stay away. Stay away. Everyone, get your weapons ready, man. Get the... Apple just died. Nope. No, thank you. Okay. No, that's a terrible idea. I got you. Come on. Regeneration. Perfect. Let's go. Watch out, buddy. Everybody watch out. This thing has more recoil than I ever imagined, man. Jeff, could you help out at least? Come on, what you do? Just sit it over there, man. You're supposed to be Iron Man. You're supposed to have, like, rocket launchers and other cool things, but no. You have to save me, Moose. I'm stuck inside the daycare. Don't even talk. Okay, I'm coming over. Moosina. Ow! Well, that didn't work, did it now? Stay back. I'm coming, Moosina. I'll save you. No. Oh, snap. My hero. Where'd you go? Oh, hi, Moosina. Hi. This is not going so well. This is a terrible idea, and now everyone's trying to kill your boy Moose. Stay back. Nope. Jeff, get him. Yes. You see, Jeff the Moose is coming in with the crazy rocket launchers. Hey. But. Yeah, I'm gonna hide. Wait, don't you have, like, cool powers? What kind of powers do you have? Moosina. Stay back. Ow, Jeff. You have legit one job. Everything you do, you got one job. And you always mess it up. Always mess it up, man. Oh, no. It's not good. Up, and I'm dead. I just do taxes. That's it. Oh, come on, Jeffina. Just taxes. I mean, Moosina. Ha! Oh, no, it's not good. Jeff, could you help? Could you please? You know, I really appreciate that, man. You know, I think helping out will be the best thing you could possibly do, man. Oh, my God. That doesn't mean blow me up or something, man. Oh, my God. Ow. Hey, stay away. It's just reloading. Jeff, you're okay. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. Oh, no. Big Bus. Thank you, buddy. Oh, snap. That was epic. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Oh, no. Got it. But, got him. You good, man? We're safe. You really think that's gonna be a good for us, man? What are you talking about? Upstairs? I don't know if we should get upstairs. I don't know, man. Okay, I'm coming over. I'm coming over. Boom. Yes, regeneration. Get some food real quick. There we go. All right, so I remember I did this before in the movie. So all I gotta do is get one of these, just like that. Put that down, and that should work. Yes! Oh, never mind. I was just showing you off. Jeff, I think this is getting out of hand, buddy. You gotta control your girlfriend, man. Jeff, what are you doing? Oh my God! You are making this 20 times worse. Like legit. You made it 20 times worse than before. Oh my God. This dude. Hi, Jeff. This dude. There's so many. Are you kidding me? Jeff, are you? I was right here. What? We're all up here. Well, thank you so much for helping me out. Jeff, what are you doing? Oh, man. This is why we can't have nice things. This is exactly why Jeff can't even control his own relationship. Yeah. Up, and he's going down. It doesn't have to be like this, Jeff. Yeah, it doesn't have to be like this. You two just gotta talk it out instead of destroying the daycare and having an army of crazy things that's supposed to be killing us that I don't want any part of. We need a plan. I got an idea, Jafina. I have an idea, Jafina. How about this, Jafina and Jeff, you two go into couples therapy. Sounds good? I'll be the one that, like, talks to you and stuff. How about that? Go and test tube 9 in the lab. Jafina, come up here. Let's talk. Lucina, I don't think that's gonna work, but how about this? I'll be the therapist. Sounds good? All right, I'll help you both that. Okay. So, what's your problem, Jeff? What do you not like about Jafina? Listen, Musina, it ain't tax season. Musina, no. All right, Jafina, let's talk this out. What do you not like about Jeff the Moose? What is it? Huh? Just say one thing you don't like about each other. That's all you gotta do. All right, it's pretty simple, honestly. Big Thanos. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Oh, snap. Jeff has nice antlets. You don't like that about him? How does that make any sense at all? What? I don't get this. I don't understand this. Why is couples therapy so confusing? Jeff, what do you not like about Jafina? Huh? No, can you not, like, destroy everybody, Jeff? I feel like you're hurting people, man. I say your antlers. What do I not like? Everything. Jeff specified things. Well, I'm taking out Thanos like 20 billion times because they're not stopping spawning. Come on. You can't just say everything. It's too vague, man. You gotta go into more details, bro. Oh, and I'm out of ammo. Well, this is not good at all. This is not good. Her outfit choices. How is that? What? That doesn't make any sense, Jeff. Oh my God. Thanks. Appreciate it. Jeff, just make up and stay married to her. Fine. I don't like it when you stay in the lab all day. There you go. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. So she doesn't like you working all day. Brick Boss, why don't you marry it? Jeff, you see, this is why we have problems. This is why she's here destroying the whole daycare and spawning these crazy things that are killing everybody. See that? This is what happens. Wait! What's up, Musina? What's wrong? Up, and there goes Musina. How did that happen? She scares me! Yo, Brick Boss, I feel bad for you, man. I mean, nothing scarier than the outfit you're wearing, but don't worry, bro. You look good, man. You look good, okay? You look pretty good. But I think I got all the mini Thanoses. There we go. But Brick Boss, the only thing that scares you is the lack of food. Savage, dude. Savage. Jeffina and Jeff the Moose. You're just trying, aren't you? You're just really trying. You're really just trying. You are really just trying. And I despise you. Now, why do you think that's a good idea, Jeff? Huh? Why do you think that's a really... If you love Jeff, come talk to us. Man to man. Oh, snap. Jeff, could you please give me that rocket launcher real quick? I just want to do something real quick, okay, buddy? Just give me that real quick, okay, buddy? How about this? Give me a lever. Give me a lever. All right? That's all I need. Just lever. Woman to woman. I don't think Jeff, I don't think that your girlfriend is thinking correctly here. You know, listen, you two are having some tense relationship problems. And could you give me a lever, please? Just one lever. You have one job. Just do one job. One lever. There you go. Toss it over. Jeff, toss it over. I know you see the TNT. Give it to me. No fighting, just talking. Thank you, thank you. Let me handle this like it's supposed to be handled. Up, up, up. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Ah, snap. It ain't working. Jeff, I'm gonna need a rocket launcher. I'll only talk to Jeff. Oh, my God. Why you guys gotta be like this? You have to talk to each other. Come on, I fix. Come on, Jeff, take out these spawners, man, so you can stop hiding and stuff. Oh, no, you legit just... I don't get this, man. I don't understand Jeff at all. I feel like he never makes any sense, nor does things with reason. You know, it's just what it is. What are you doing? Jeff, take out the spawners. Musina, back off, girl. Oh, now we have Jafina and Musina having a problem. Just talk it out. It's all you guys gotta do. Just talk it out. Listen. Jafina, there's no more spawners, and you have no more minions except these ones over here, okay? After this, there's nothing else left, okay? So let's just talk it out. I hate this with a passion. I hate this. Every single day, I have relationship problems with Jeff the Moosey. I mean, and Jafina. Now, I'm being annoyed by this. Oh, sorry, Big Boss. My bad. Bad means down. Bad. We're good. Awesome. Okay, /TP. It's hit the moose. All right, you two. So there you go, Jafina. It's all gone. Now you can stop hiding because you have nothing left. You have no more ammo. You have no more mobs. Now you two have to fix this. Jeff, hey, Jeff. That's not fixing the problem, Jeff. That's not fixing it. That's avoiding it like you avoid everything in life. Now come over here, Jeff. Come here. That wasn't me. Yeah, Jeff. Come over here, buddy. Come on. Hurry up, Jeff. You're stalling. Stop stalling, man. Don't be rambling on like Cyclone. Back up or I will join. Join what? Jafina. That's fine with me. Then I'll be on my way. I don't care, man. You can do whatever you want. I don't care, bro. Come on. This is not going anywhere. This really... Neither... You guys are rocket launcher fighting. Come on. This is a very complicated relationship, isn't it? Okay. That was me that time. Spend more time with me and I'll stop. Oh. Yeah. This is going to be... You guys can handle this. I'm just going to... Okay. The one thing they have in common. Oh, snap. Okay. I'll make you a hologram. I'm tired of paying for repairs. Explosions and stuff. Yeah. You two look like the perfect couple. You guys both have rocket launchers. You're both wearing weird outfits. You both have really weird, derpy faces. There you go. So just talk it out and we'll be on our way, okay? Brickbots, drop another album and we'll be good. Why you gotta do that? I'll work on my outfits. There you go. Now we're getting somewhere. So just she'll improve the outfits. And Jeff, all you gotta do, buddy, is come to not be in the Daycare all the time. Don't talk about that. I can do taxes. Jeff, all you have to do is just spend more time with her. Like an hour a day extra, bro. You know, it's not no big deal, man. This is your problems 101. That's how you fix it. Spend more time together. or discuss things. You know, it's simple as that. Come on. Okay, so Jafina, Jeff will spend more time with you. And Jeff the Moose. She's disgusting, but I will manage. Come on, Jeff, come here. How could you not love this lipstick? I'm scared. What is it supposed to be? I don't... what is... Why me? Why me out of all the places? Messina, don't eat that. Up and... Well, I guess we fixed the relationship problems. I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Oh, man, this is the most complicated relationship I've ever seen. I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all did. Don't forget to subscribe. Every time. It's like, I can't manage this. I can't do anything about this. I hate this so much sometimes. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Hope y'all enjoyed. And peace out and subscribe for some more Daycare.